Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to send documents on WhatsApp using your computer. Whether you need to share a PDF, Word document, Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint presentation, or another file, WhatsApp makes the process quick and simple. Let's get started. As you can see on the screen, open WhatsApp desktop and open the conversation where you want to send the document. Next, click the attach icon next to the message box. Depending on your version of WhatsApp, this may appear as a paperclip icon or a plus icon. From the available options, select Document. A file browser will open on your computer. Browse to the folder where your document is saved. Now, select the document you want to send and click Open. WhatsApp will prepare the file for sharing, and you'll see the document name before sending it. Before sending, make sure you've selected the correct file. If everything looks good, click the Send button. WhatsApp will begin uploading the document. The upload time depends on the file size and your internet connection. Once the upload is complete, the document will appear in the conversation. The recipient can open, preview, or download the document directly from the chat. This feature is useful for sharing work files, school assignments, business reports, contracts, presentations, and many other types of documents. If your document is very large, you may need to reduce its size before sending to make the upload faster and avoid any file size limitations. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send documents on WhatsApp using your computer. It's a fast and convenient way to share important files with friends, family, classmates, or coworkers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future WhatsApp tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.